Good morning to one and all present over here. In Vedic scriptures, greed, anger, and lust are considered as the mental diseases. We all are aware of the physical diseases, bodily diseases, but unfortunately, we are not aware or we do not recognize the lust, anger, and greed as disease. But in Vedic scripture, it is considered as manah rog. Unfortunately, we are being continuously tormented by the mental ailments, mental diseases, these greed, anger, and lust. But we do not recognize these as disease. But in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has given a way to eliminate, to get rid of these disease. In his divine voice, Lord Krishna speaks, Dhyayato Visayan Punsah Sangaste Supjayate Sangat Sanjayate Kama Kamat Krodho Abhijayate Krodhat Bhavati Sammoha Sammohat Smriti Vibhrama Smriti Bhinsat Buddhi Nasho Buddhi Nasat Pranashyati, which means that when we repeatedly contemplate on the sense object, when we repeatedly contemplate, think that there is happiness in the world, in any object or in any person, then we get attached to them. Like if you take example of classroom, then in a classroom there are number of boys and girls. Each one of them interact with one another. But if a particular boy repeatedly thinks or contemplates about a particular girl, if he notices something in any girl and if he repeatedly thinks about that girl, that there is happiness in that girl, then he gets attached to that girl. Because he started thinking that there is happiness in that girl. If I will get her, then I will be happy. If she will be mine. Now he gets attached to that girl. And जब attachment आता है, एक बार जब attachment आसक्ति आ जाता है, तो आसक्ति फिर जन्म देती है desire को. That gives birth to desire, कामना.